Hey guys, today I have something quite interesting. It's a Telesin charging port. It's for the GoPro Hero 7. So I saw this online and I felt like I really need to try this out. It's an all-in-a-box storage and charging, plus it has batteries. So we will go ahead and do an unboxing of this. I will not do a review. I'll just go ahead and unbox it, see what's in it, and basically go from there. If we look a little bit closer, we have it's a battery adapter for Hero 7, 6 and 5 volt, 2.4 amperes, and we'll go ahead and see how it looks inside. Heard some really nice stuff about this. Let's start with unboxing it. There we go. It comes in quite a nice case. So it's like a box, very nice box. It really has the Apple box feeling to it, to be honest with you. Well, it's nice. Quite an interesting box. And there we go. It's quite simple. This is charging dock. Oh, this feels nice. I'm going to check it out. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else. Yeah, there is. So we have open this up. So box, and it's a USB 3, I guess it is, and this is for the charger, and it fits. There we go. And also some instructions. I'll put this on the side, put this on the side. Some instructions, warning text, how to turn it on, and on the back side is in Chinese. So I can't read Chinese. I will not even try. I don't know even from which side they read on. But anyways, there's an English instruction plus the cable. So there we go. And here is the box itself. Let's go ahead and check out this. First and foremost, it has like a very strong cord. It's a paracord almost, I think. It has a rubbery silicone feeling to it. I think it's some kind of silicone materials. It's supposed to be water resistant or splash proof. On the back is where the charging port is for you to connect it to. Yeah, it's very simple to connect. And this, you can charge it from any charging place, basically computer, outlet, power bank. And the silicone, it seems to be covering quite well, and there's a gasket around it. On the back side says Telesin All in box, input 5 volt, 2 amperes, output 4.3, 800 milliamperes times 3. It's made in China. Let's go ahead and press to open, it says. Okay, let's press this. Oh, okay, you press this like this and you open it. So if you look at it from each side, it looks very nice, and you press to open it. Oh wow. Okay, so we have two batteries. 1 and 2, and these are the exact same size as the Hero 7, and it actually says GoPro Hero 7, Hero 6 and 5. Yeah, they look exactly like the GoPro Hero 7. Yeah, so they look exactly the same, rechargeable ion batteries. It looks really nice, and it seems to be fits easy, very simple to fit. Now what I like also is there is a slot for two TFT cards. Sure, do I need this? Oh, why not? I have a Blitz Wolf that I use for the cards, so I put them in and take them out. I'm gonna see how they fit in here if I take this one out. One SD cards fit here. Okay, so that's good. I do have more. Yes, there we go. There we go. It took some time to fit. So 3 SD sticks fit. There is a specific way. You have to turn it on a specific side, and once you do that, it fits very well. And that's it. Perfect fit. So this you can just, it's a very, I mean, I can have it in one hand. I mean, it's so small, it's so compact, but it packs so much. 3 SD cards, 3 battery slots. As I understand, you can just put it in, you can charge it, and you could possibly actually use it instead of the Blitz Wolf SD card reader. You should be able to read this as a SD card reader right away from this. However, I don't know that. I have to try it on and check it out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and actually try to connect it to the charging and see how it works. So I have 2 batteries, one on each side, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to see if there's anything that happens. There we go. We got 2 red lights indicating, well, let's see if you guys can see. It's a little bit dim. I guess if it's darker you can see better. And here we go. You can see that it's charging, and you can see actually from which one it is as well. So if you have 3 Telesin batteries or 3 batteries, you can easily see which one is fully charged. That is quite amazing, and yeah, that is quite amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and also connect it to my MacBook and see how and if we get some kind of let's see here if we can let's see if we can get yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to the MacBook and see if we can if there's a USB in there. There is no USB in here because I didn't put it there. Great. I'll go ahead and take one of these out, and you can just put it in this side. There we go, and it actually popped up on the screen. No name obviously, and I don't have any files in it. Well, I have one actually have few GoPro videos that I've done previously. Yeah, so that's amazing actually. You only need this to go anywhere. You can easily download, upload, move files with basically just this. This will work instead of this, so you only need this one, and that's really good. I really like that. Obviously some MacBooks have this one has a SD card stick or location, some don't, but this is amazing. You can charge while reviewing your footage. So right now it's charging, actually. Both batteries are charging. This is quite a good smart thing. It's a very good smart setup. It doesn't look like it's completely waterproof. It fits quite well, but there is a small gap. I wouldn't trust this to be waterproof. It definitely is splash proof. I mean, most of it is splash proof, but I mean, if it gets here and you put it on the water, I wouldn't trust that. However, it's quite nice to have it as this is. What I understand and what I read online on their website is that you can charge both Telesin batteries at the same time. However, you cannot charge the GoPro battery with the Telesin batteries. So that means that you have to charge a GoPro battery separately and the Telesin batteries separately. And for me, that's fine. However, if you like to at any point put the GoPro battery here, I don't recommend that, and neither do they. I'm not sure other off-brand batteries how they would work, but definitely try this just with the instructions that I've given them. I think that has something to do with the support of the software. Anyways, I love this. You have 3 charging ports where you can charge, so potentially you can have 3 here as a storage device. Just charge them, have them ready, and just take this with you. That gives you a lot of battery time, and at any given time you can just open this up and just swipe and change something out. Really nice. This is actually one of the best things I've ever seen for a long time. I will do this is just an unboxing. I won't do a review on this yet. I will go ahead and check to see how this works, and I will compare the battery time, the charging time with the GoPro, and see how they compare, and I will get back to you guys with a short review on this in short time. Great. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'm gonna go and put a link on below to show you where you guys can find this. There is a version where there is just 2 ports, and I don't think there is any place to put the SD cards, but this one has 3 SD cards, 3 battery charging ports, and can easily connect with this one. So it's quite a cool little gadget. Great. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.